Alright, we're in the basement. I wasn't going to bring it along, then I decided to. So we've been having problems with the well. It's not that old. And so part of my problem is I like everything clean as I go along. So sorry about that. So I took this tank out, drained it down. Took a while because pep cap kept getting plugged up. And still heavy. Still heavy. A little slosh in the bottom, but it feels like there's something definitely in the bottom of the tank. Yeah. So anyways, we'll have to check that out. See if there's some rust muck in the bottom. Huh? We'll bring you back. Alright, so we got new tank. Now we got a new pressure switch. 2 weeks ago we put a new gauge on because thought it was best. So now not seeing any leaky. A little leaky, just a little sweaty. A little sweaty going on there. So alright, just wanted to record this that got her done. This is the name of the tank right here somewhere. Actually, I don't know where it's at. Alright, name of the tank's right there. It's whatever Menards get it at the time, right? Pressure at the tank is below your startup pressure. So it's below 30.